Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can hide your friends in Snapchat. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, also write your comments after watching the video. And let us get started with you. So, open the Snapchat app on your phone and then go to the chat section. And here you will be able to, for example, hide a chat with a certain person. To do this, you will need to select that person. Next, press and hold on the correspondence with him. Then go to the chat settings. And here you will be able to select this function, which is called delete from the list of chats. Confirm your action. And as you can see, this chat was immediately hidden from the general list of all chats. But if suddenly you go to find this person and communicate with him again, then you can just click on this search magnifying glass, type in the search box the name of the person, and start writing to him again. But if you want, for example, to block such a person, it is also very easy to do it. So you can also press and hold on the person and then go to this second section here. And here you will see the block. Select, then confirm your action that you want to block that person. And so this user will be blocked. He won't be able to message you, you won't be able to message him, you won't be able to see any of each other's stories. And if at some point you want to resume communication with this person, you just need to go to the blocked friends section and unblock him. Friends, these are the ways you can hide your friends or your conversations with them on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please give your likes, comments, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.